Here are my 5 best free keyword and niche research tools for KDP and how you can use them to find highly profitable niches and their keywords. So we start with the niche research tool number 5, which is the Amazon advertising suggestions. A lot of people don't know and use this tool, and a lot of people don't even talk about. So let me show you how this feature works. You go to advertising.amazon.com, then sign up and choose the marketplace you are targeting. After that, just scroll over here, then click on the keyword targeting. Then I'll just come here and click enter list. Then type the short tail keyword of the niche you are doing your research. For example, I would type magic trick for kids. Immediately you will see Amazon suggestions of several keywords, and these suggestions are very important because it tells you the keywords that other sellers in that particular niche are bidding on, and in some cases Amazon will suggest how much you should bid on. This tool has a lot of benefits, but there are 2 major benefits from this tool. First, Amazon suggests keywords to you that other sellers use to bid in that particular niche. The second benefit is that Amazon can suggest bids to you for a particular keyword that other competitors are bidding for. The suggested bid is automatically generated based on the number of sellers that are bidding for that same keyword, which tells you how competitive the keyword is and also how relevant it is in that particular niche. So the next best free research tool that ranks number 4 on my list is the DS Amazon Quick View. This tool is essentially a time-saving tool when it comes to niche research. So ideally, what you want to do if you are trying to know if a niche is selling well or not, you would want to look at the bestseller rank of the books that appear on the top pages of the search result. In order to do that, you have to click on individual books and scroll down to look at their bestseller rank. Now, if you do extensive niche research like me, you have to check the bestseller rank of a lot of books. So clicking on them individually usually takes a lot of time. So that's where this tool comes in. Instead of clicking on individual books to check for their bestseller rank, the bestseller rank of the book will appear on the first page of the book, so you don't have to click anymore on the book. So that way you can quickly make your decision whether the niche is going to be profitable or not. And if you don't have this plugin, just go to Google and type DS Amazon Quick View, install it, and you can start using it for free. So we move to research tool number 3, which is Helium 10. Helium 10 has a lot of features, but the one I use it for mostly is to know the sales history of my competitors. So what that means is that while I'm trying to know if a niche is profitable or not, I have to know how well the books in that niche have been selling over a period of time. And just looking at the bestseller rank is not enough, so I need a longer view of the sales record of books in that niche to know if people consistently buy from this niche or not. So how you want to do that is you want to go to Helium 10, sign up, then install the Chrome extension. So when you click on a book and scroll down, you will see a chart here. You will see the time frame: 24 hours, 7 days, 30 days, 90 days, a year, and a lifetime. On the x-axis, you will see the price, and on the y-axis, you will see the time. This blue line here shows the sales history of the book. If you just use your mouse to hover around it, you will see the BSR rank per day. So the closer it is to the y-axis, the more sales the book has. So if in 90 days the book has had a low BSR and it is consistent for other books that are selling well in that niche, tells me that the niche is actually profitable. So we go to the best research tool number 2, which is the Amazon Suggestion Expander. This research tool serves 2 purposes: one as a niche research tool, and secondly as a keyword research tool. The first thing you want to do is that after you have downloaded the plugin from Google, you just type the short tail keyword. For example, if I come here now and type stories, you begin to see different keywords that are related to stories, and also keywords before stories. That way you begin to explore more niches and keywords. So before we review our number 1 free research tool, just in case you are finding it very difficult to find profitable niche, you don't have to bother about finding profitable niches for the rest of the year. I have personally done a thorough niche research on Amazon, and I have discovered over 100 highly profitable niches and their keywords that are going to generate a lot of sales for you. You just pick from anyone, create your book and publish. Also, you get a video course where I teach you how you can create very attractive covers that will generate a lot of sales for you. So if you're interested, click on the link on the description below so that you can pre-order for your copy right now. So finally, we get to the best research tool of all time. This research tool is the best research tool ever, and there's no research tool that is ever going to take this number 1 spot. The research tool is Amazon itself. When I say Amazon itself, I mean the market you are targeting to sell your books in. Maybe you are planning to target the UK market, the US market, the Canadian market, the Australian market, or the non-English speaking market. These markets are the most trusted research tool because they tell you exactly what is happening on Amazon in real time. Some people go to Pinterest or Etsy to find niches, then bring them over to Amazon. I don't see any reason why you should do that because Amazon already has a lot of niches that are available and are very, very profitable for you. Some people use BookVolt, Publisher Rocket, KDP Miner, or self-publishing titans to do their research. Amazon itself is where all these research tools come to take their data from. Amazon gives you everything you need to know about any niche. It tells you what people think and feel about a particular niche based on what the reviews say and also what the ratings say. You can also look at the interior of your competitors to know exactly what they are doing. You can see the keywords they used in their title and their subtitle. You can also look at what is in demand based on the bestseller rank. I mean, you can see things exactly the way customers see things. So if you have not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button. And there you have it. Those are my 5 best research tools for KDP in 2024. If you are interested to get a copy of these 100 highly profitable niches plus video course that I personally teach you how to make highly attractive covers that can generate a lot of sales for you. Launch price for the copy is 10,000 naira. That's about $20. But if you pre-order for the copy, you will get it at a discounted price of 5,000 naira, which is about $10. So if you are interested, click on the link in the description and pre-order for your copy now.